Hi everyone, how are you? Let's continue our lesson. Today we are going to do exercises from Workbook page 35. Unit 4. 8-ші сыныптардың тапсырмасын орындаймыз. Present perfect and past simple. Exercise 1. For and since қойып жазу керек. For example, for 3 weeks. 3 аптадан бері. Since 1 o'clock. 1 сағаттан бері. For 10 years. 10 жылдан бері. Since 1995. For a few minutes. For 8 months. For a short time. Since last night. For 5 hours. Since January. For 7 days. Since the 1960s. Exercise 2. Write questions. Мыналарға сұрақ қойып және осыларға жауап беру керек. For example, how long have you been in this band? I have been in this band for 3 years. Next, how long has he played the drums? He has played the drums since he was 6. How long have we had that piano? We have had that piano for 4 months. Next, how long have they studied music? They have studied music for many years. Олар музыканы қанша жылдан бері оқып келе жатыр? Көп жылдан бері оқып келе жатыр дейді. How long has Maria worked with the band? Maria has worked with the band since last year. How long has that singer lived in New York? That singer has lived in New York since 2010. How long have you liked the Sugar Babes? I have liked the Sugar Babes for a long time. How long has he worked at the record company? He has worked at the record company since November. Exercise 2 or exercise 3. Жоғарыда берілген сөздерді present perfectке немесе past simpleге қойып жазу керек. For example, my favorite singer has had 3 hits this summer. Next, I that book on Wednesday. Мен мына кітапты сәрсенбі күні не істедім? The ending was very good. Яғни кітаптың соңы өте тамаша болды. I finished. Өткен шақ болады, себебі бұл сәрсенбі күні бітіргенін айтып тұр. Finished. She loves her flat. She has lived there for 5 years. Ол мұнда 5 жылдан бері тұрады. Jack isn't in class today. Jack сыныпта жоқ. We haven't seen him for a few days. Біз оны бірнеше күн бойы көрмедік. Next, сұраулы сөйлем. Present perfect болады. Have you ever played rugby or basketball? Next. They played to that concert. They didn't listen to that concert on the radio last night. Did he walk to school with his friends yesterday? Достарымен мектепке жаяу барды ма кеше? Exercise 4. Present perfect және past simple. We have been in London for 4 days and I don't want to go home. We arrived here on Tuesday and since we have done a lot of things. I visited a number of different places, Big Ben, art galleries and museums. And guess what? My brother nights all the time. My brother has been nice all the time and he didn't listen anything horrible. He hasn't listened anything horrible yet. Yesterday we went to see a Coldplay concert at Wembley Arena. It started at 8 o'clock and the band played really well. We still haven't gone to the British Museum and we didn't take a boat trip on the river yet. Yet деген present perfect болып тұрғандықтан we haven't taken a boat болады. But I think we are going to do that tomorrow. Love, Jolly. Next page, traditional sport. There is a text about eagle hunting in Kazakhstan. Яғни бүркіт аңшылық туралы Қазақстандағы. Осы текстте оқып аудару керек. Exercise 2. Яғни бұл бүркіт аңшылығы орталық Азиядағы көптеген елдерде, көптеген ғасырлар бойы атақты болып келе жатқан спорттың түрі. Бұл Қазақстанда да сонымен қатар атақты спорт. Exercise 2. Alive, сәйкестендіру alive, living with a lot of movement. Psych деген бұл көзқарас. Give a thing that can be seen. Fur, the hair on an animal's body. Rediscover, to discover again. Skill, the ability to do something well. Patient, able to wait. Шыдамды деген сөз. Endangered, in danger of the whole species dying. Read the text and find the correct answer. How many burkutchi are there in Nora? There are 14. How long has eagle hunting been popular in Central Asia? Қанша уақыттан бері ол орталық Азияда атақты болып келе жатыр? Hundreds of years. 100 жылдан бері. What is needed to hunt with an eagle? Аң аулау үшін не керек? Next. Exercise 4. Answer the question. What can you see in the sky above the village of Nora? You can see eagles hunting. Which mountains are near the village of Nora? Қай таудың жанында орналасқан? The Tianshan Mountains. What do the бүркітші often wear? Олар бүркітшілер әдетте не киім киеді?